awesome. I've got the chills just watching that. Need the chills in this kind of heat and humidity, right? Especially yesterday, we climbed to a high of 86 degrees here into Green Bay. We were just 2 degrees away from breaking a record and adding 2022 to that list. But wow, it was hot, it was humid, and it was stormy as well. And we speak about 80s in May. 2018 was pretty good. We had 10 days. 2017 was not. We got 1 day on the books now. Here we go. How about a few more, right? Today we're not going to get there. Tomorrow we will, though. Here's what happened yesterday. Damage reports staying up to the north. We had a lot of hail reports up there of up to baseball-sized hail at some points. So scary situation yesterday. Thankfully, no tornadoes, no damaging wind events. And now this morning, a lot of us waking up to a little bit of sunshine, except for right here, Clintonville, Seymour, New London, Iola. We're getting hit with this system here. Now there's some lightning associated with it, some small hail as well. This is the hail track into the blue. So at 110 and 22 and also at 45 and 76 just south of Bear Creek, we're looking at some small hail there. Now this system's going to be tracking a little bit down to the southeast, so it should be headed towards Freedom by 6:33, De Pere by 7:04. Green Bay, you're going to see some of that rain here in about an hour or so. Now the dew points, not as bad as yesterday so far. They are going to be rising here this morning, but with the lack of moisture and that lack of so much heat that we had yesterday morning and afternoon, we're not seeing those severe storms here this morning. So a little bit cooler by the lake into those low to mid 50s out there. Into the further inland, we're at the low to upper 60s, so quite a temperature gradient. Winds up pulling out of the north and off the bay at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. That'll be the case all day today. They'll be switching a little bit more easterly and south by this evening, but all the severe weather today should stay away from us off to the west. We just have the thunderstorm chances rolling through later tonight. So a little bit of clearing, storms winding down, even the clouds starting to leave us this afternoon and evening. Temperatures staying a little bit more mild. There's those storms starting to fire up off to the west after midnight. This is all as this front drops to the south today. A high pressure gives us the sun, and then it all lifts right back. That's what's going to be happening overnight tonight. That's why we're going to see those storm chances roll on in. And once again, as we go through our Friday as well, as we sit in this hot and humid air mass. So tomorrow we're in a marginal risk for severe weather off just mainly north and west of the Fox Valley, where we could see some damaging wind gusts and large hail as the main threats, and also some localized flash flooding potentially as well, as we get anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch of rain in these storms. So rolling through tomorrow morning from 6 to 8 will be the main storm line pushing through. Winds down by 9 o'clock to scattered showers, and look, by noon we're already seeing some sunshine peek out. Winds get strong out of the south. We get hot and humid, pushing to our temperatures to near 90 degrees for some of us, especially further down south into the Fox Valley. I think here into the Bay we're going to hit a high of 85 tomorrow. So enjoy the milder temperatures today. This morning we're waking up to 63 degrees outside, both in Green Bay and Appleton. Some patchy fog out there, beware. Highs today into the low 70s, mid 60s by the lake. Tonight crashing into the 60s to low 50s. Some showers and storms moving in tomorrow morning. Stormy and then hot and humid. Temperatures into those mid 80s to low 90s. We're going to hang on to that heat for Friday. Storm chances still there Friday night. Same story for Saturday, a little bit cooler, and the humidity drops a little bit, but we still have storm chances Saturday evening, and then it turns to rain chances Sunday and Monday, and much cooler temperatures start to move back in. But those are our averages.
That looks good to me.
Yes.
I'm okay with it. Brittney, thank you. Coming up.